Hello and welcome to Art Dog 20. Today we're going to make this ball. Now it doesn't look like a ball yet because you have to do something really special. If you're going to start off with a regular sheet of paper, fold it like a triangle like this. Cut off the edge, and this will make it a square sheet of paper. When you open it up, you have one diagonal. You're going to need another one, so fold it again like a triangle, so that way you can have two diagonal lines. You're going to need two more creases. Fold your paper in half. Open it up, flip it over, and fold it again. I've drawn the dotted lines for you so you can see all the different creases that you need. This is the most difficult part of the project. Squeeze those lines together. Press down. Crease those angles on both sides. Now press the top layer and crease both sides. Fold the front right side up. Crease it. Do the same on the left side, keeping that nice point at the bottom. Flip your paper over and do the same thing. Do you see that black dot? You're going to fold that angle into the center. Give it a nice good crease. And you'll do the same for the other side. Flip your paper over and do the same thing. Take these top flaps like bunny ears, find the pocket, tuck them in as deep as you can. This will lock it all in place. Give it a good crease. Do the same for the other side. Flip your paper over, tuck in those flaps into those pockets. This is a good time to decorate your ball. You could color it, you could add stickers. Find the end with the hole. Open it up a bit.